In today's digital-first economy, IT downtime doesn't just disrupt systems, it disrupts business. For enterprises and growing organizations, reliable IT infrastructure is mission-critical. At General Technologies, we deliver enterprise IT managed services with annual maintenance contracts as a core component, ensuring your infrastructure remains secure, optimized, and always available. Our services cover servers, storage systems, network infrastructure, and data center environments. With proactive monitoring, preventive maintenance, rapid incident response, and certified engineers, we help organizations maximize uptime, improve performance, and extend infrastructure lifecycle. At General Technologies, we don't just maintain systems, we help safeguard your business continuity. If your organization is looking for a trusted IT infrastructure partner, connect with General Technologies today.